Hello students, in this video we will be learning about HTML. We will design a basic web page. So let's begin. To start with HTML, we need to open a word editor. Now for this we are using a notepad. So we'll click on window button and then we'll type notepad. Okay, once we have started with the notepad, we need to write down the HTML code. The HTML code is set to be tags. So first we'll begin with HTML. This is the starting of the code and then we will end it. So this is set to be a container tag. The container tag will be the tag which is having a opening tag and a closing tag. So this tags are set to be container tag. Same way we have head, open and head, close. Now this is the head open and head close, and inside this we will specify title. Now the title will be displayed on the title bar. So I will write web page and close the title. Now after the head is closed, we will be writing the body tag. Inside the body tag, we will be specifying the content which we want to display on our browser or on our web page. So here I will write I love India. Okay, and then I will save it as a HTML file. To save it, I will click on Save As. Once I have clicked on, I will give the file name. So I am in 6A, and then this is my first practical, and the file name will be .html. So 6A practical1.html. I will save the file on my desktop. This thing should be saved on desktop. So I'll go to Save As. I will say the file is on desktop. So you can see this PC desktop and the file name is 6AP1 and that is .html. And I will say once it is saved, I will go to my desktop. I will be able to see my file. I will double click on it. It may take time due to the processing speed of the computer. So you need to wait, just click once and wait for the output. So this is what I'll be able to see as an output. Okay, now I had written in my notepad everything in a different line. I love India, but in my browser it is coming in same line because here we are not, the code is not able to understand the next line. For that, we need to use a BR tag. BR tag is also said to be an empty tag. So when we use BR tag, it's like an enter. When you press enter, it goes to the next line. Same way for HTML, we need to write BR tag. So once we wrote the BR tag in our code, we'll just press Control S to save, Control plus S, or we'll go to the file and click on save. Okay, so this will rewrite the file which we have created. Now I will minimize this thing. I will go to this browser. You can see the output is visible in one line. I will just refresh it. Now the output will change because we have changed the code. I hope you have understood this basic code. In the next video I will show you something more about the HTML.